Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Muharram al-Haram is the first month of the Islamic lunar calendar and holds great significance for Muslims worldwide. It commemorates various historical events including the martyrdom of Imam Hussain, the grandson of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him, and his companions in the Battle of Karbala. Here are a few famous sayings of Hazrat Ali that relate to the importance of Muharram and the principles of Islam. Number 1. Every day is Ashura and every land is Karbala. This saying emphasizes the perpetual significance of the tragedy of Karbala and the struggle for justice and truth. Number 2. Stand up for truth even if you stand alone. This statement encourages individuals to uphold righteousness even in challenging circumstances. Number 3. Do not be deceived by the prosperity of others, for surely this is a test from Allah. Hazrat Ali reminds believers to remain steadfast and content regardless of materials, possessions or successes of others. Number 4. Knowledge is better than wealth, for knowledge protects you while you have to protect wealth. This saying highlights the importance of seeking knowledge and wisdom as they provide long-term benefits and protection. Number 5. Patience is the key to victory. Hazrat Ali emphasizes the value of patience and endurance in overcoming difficulties and achieving success. Number 6. A man's worth depends upon the nobility of his aspirations. This saying emphasizes the importance of setting high moral and spiritual goals in life. Number 7. Your friends are three: your friend, the friend of your friend, and the enemy of your enemy. This statement emphasizes the significance of maintaining good company and surrounding oneself with trustworthy and righteous individuals. Number 8. The best deed is to forgive and forget. Hazrat Ali encourages believers to practice forgiveness and let go for grudges, promoting harmony and peace within relationships. Number 9. Do not let your difficulties fill you with anxiety. After all, it is only in the darkest nights that stars shine more brightly. This saying inspires hope and resilience during challenging times, reminding individuals that hardships can lead to personal growth and inner strength. Number 10. Do not be a slave to others when Allah has created you free. Hazrat Ali emphasizes the importance of personal freedom and independence, encouraging individuals to rely on their own abilities and choices. Number 11. Do not raise your children the way your parents raised you. They were born for a different time. This saying highlights the need to adopt parenting techniques and teachings to the specific needs and challenges of each generation.